Tired of Docusign's default signature and ready to add your own personalized touch? Let's dive right into how you can upload your signature image to Docusign for a consistent and professional look in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Docusign account. Next, navigate to your profile settings. Click on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Profile. Now, look for the Signatures section. It's typically found on the left-hand side of the Manage Profile page. Click on Signatures. You should now see your current signature options. To add a new one, look for an Add Signature or New button. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear, giving you a few options. Select the Upload option to use a pre-existing signature image. Now, a file selection window will open. Locate the image file of your signature on your computer and select it. Make sure your signature image is clear and appropriately sized. A good resolution is usually around 300 dpi. Once uploaded, you'll likely have options to resize and adjust the signature. Make any necessary tweaks to ensure it looks just right. Finally, click the Save button. Your uploaded signature is now saved and ready to use in your Docusign account. Now, when you go to sign a document, your new signature will be available as an option. Enjoy a more personalized and professional signing experience with Docusign, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Docusign tips and tricks.